Hi guys, this is Miss Rustum again, and I am here to talk to you about Instagram and the way that I envision using it in my English language arts classroom. So, the main way that I think that I would use Instagram in the classroom is as a response tool. The great thing about Instagram is you can set up an account and it can be completely private. Nobody can see my account unless they are following me, which is a great way to enhance student privacy and enhance privacy in your own classroom. So the way that I would use the response method in Instagram is I would create these posts like this. So I posted this to my account, and it says, "How do you think Star would define family? What about 7? How do you define it? Or how would you define family?" And so you can go ahead and comment here, and you can say Star defined family as whatever it is. And you can have each student comment on here their response to this question, and they can respond to each other. So as a response tool, Instagram is a great way for students to stay involved in the classroom and kind of expand the borders of your classroom community. The other way that I would use Instagram is to show parents what is going on in our classroom. What are their students learning? What are their students talking about in class? What are they doing for homework? What vocabulary words do they have? And I would also use this as a way for students who are absent that day to come to our Instagram account and see what we did. I would have one student have a job to record a video of the main assignment or project that we did or lesson that we did, and it would be on Instagram for them to access. Another great tool, or another great way you can use Instagram is for flipping. So I could create a lesson, record a lesson, and post it to this Instagram account. And then their homework could be to watch the lesson, and we could talk about it the next day in class. So it kind of flips the classroom so that their homework is actually learning about something, and then they come in and they do an activity with it, instead of you have to lecture about this in the class. It's a little more fun, it's a way for students to stay engaged, and it's a way to expand the community boundaries in your classroom. So thank you for watching. I hope that you will use Instagram in your classroom, and I hope that this has been instructional.